Hey guys, it's Jenna. Welcome to another episode of The Beauty Show. Today we're digging into the beauty stash of celebrity makeup artist Daniel Martin.
What's up? Hi, honey.
You might know his work on celebrities like Jessica Biel or Elizabeth Moss, or maybe you even saw a little occasion called the royal wedding between Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, because yeah, he did her makeup for that. So we're gonna go inside his storage unit and see how he stores all of his favorite beauty products. Let's go.
You ready for this?
Yeah, to see your storage unit, your beauty stash. So rumor has it that Manhattan Mini Storage is like the best kept secret among hairstylists and makeup artists.
Yes. There's a really big hairdresser that we won't name names. He's my neighbor.
Ooh.
Madonna's in here.
Madonna?
Oh, I thought that was a rat.
Oh god.
Just this is it. Just be warned. So come on in.
It's a whole room. It's the size of my apartment.
You're gonna go shopping.
What do you mean?
You're gonna go shopping because I have so much stuff.
Oh my gosh, I am in shock. Look at these shelves.
Yeah.
You have like a Dior and Honest Beauty store in the storage unit. Are you the luckiest man in the world?
I am. And for all my girlfriends who need stuff.
They all go shopping?
They all go shopping. So I keep a lot of my Dior here, and this whole section is more about replenishing my kit. On this side are like a lot of brands that I'm trying out or that I'm not familiar with that I get. And then I'm able to have this little workspace. I'm playing around with some product now for Violet Gray. This amazing illustrator, Jamie Reardon, drew this of me and Meghan for the wedding.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
So for the few people who don't know, Daniel here did Meghan Markle's makeup for just a little thing called the royal wedding, you know, just this minor day.
So this is all my complexion that's up here. I have the Dior Air Flash. That's here.
That's good stuff.
Powders. I have all my Honest Beauty stuff here.
Look at all the new packaging, so fancy.
Packaging's so great. And fragrance and candles on that side.
How long have you been working with Dior?
I'm going on my 5th year with them now.
5 years, wow.
Yeah, and Honest has been 2, going on 3.
3 years. And tell me, what are some of your favorite
Oh
go-to
gosh, my favorites. This is my new favorite.
Okay.
It's the Ultra. It's a long wear. The bullet's really beautiful.
Let's
it's in the
I'm
red.
definitely gonna add this to my shopping cart.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous.
So it's a good everyday kind of
Yeah,
color.
good color. Let's throw that in my shopping cart.
Oh, some of the skincare. Some of this I don't think is in the States too. So.
Yeah, I don't recognize all of
Yeah,
this.
so the Prestige. This one's amazing. It's like a sugar body scrub.
What?
Yeah. This spray is amazing.
Dior Bronze Beautifying Protective Oil Sublime Glow SPF 15.
Yeah. Since you're going to Miami, definitely take that for the
Okay,
trip.
sure. I'll just throw it in my shopping cart. Taking that body scrub too. So this is a new line from Dior called Backstage that was just launched. What? How have I not seen this? This is so cool.
It's a foundation buffing brush. Peter Phillips developed it.
You'd use this with a liquid foundation?
Yeah, you can use it with liquid. You can actually use it with powder too. It's great as like an all over body highlighter.
Oh, like a
Exactly.
kind of moment?
Yeah, so
Very
for your
cool.
wedding, something.
I'm getting wedding advice from Meghan Markle. So tell me a little bit about what you do for Honest Beauty.
So for Honest, I'm their creative color consultant. So I work with Jessica and we talk about forecasting for the brand, new formulations, new packaging. This was an eyeshadow palette that I did for them. That's kind of like their greatest hits. So what we did was we just took all of her eyeshadows, took our favorites, put them in a palette, and for 20 bucks, it's really not bad.
It's 20 bucks?
20 bucks.
That's a great deal.
Yeah, and then we repackaged their lip crayons.
Ooh.
Then we have the Everything foundations that double up as like a concealer.
So it's like a cream formulation?
Yeah, Everything primer, her mist, her oil, moisturizer. Do you have her wipes yet?
No.
Oh my God, you need her wipes.
Why? What makes them so good?
There's calendula, there's essential oils in there, no parabens, very clean. This is a really cool fragrance that Killian did for Linda Fargo at Bergdorf's.
Bergdorf's? Doesn't get better than that.
Yeah.
Do you just keep stuff because you like to
I
keep
do.
stuff?
I'm a beauty hoarder. I have sparklers. Like,
Why?
just in case I want to celebrate here by myself. So this is really cool from Kevin Aquan Beauty. It's just like a little book of.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah.
His actual books have taught millions of people how to do
Tons,
makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, with like tips. I mean, there's no messing this up when the directions are right
I
there.
know. And these are like, and each one is like a little chapter.
Oh, that is so
It's
cute.
so awesome.
When you see something like that, do you ever think about starting your own makeup line?
I've been asked so many times.
I
I mean, we just have so much makeup.
Yeah, and you personally have so much makeup.
Right. So it's like, you know, how will it change the dynamic of their culture, or how will it change your routine? And this is all skincare that I love too. So there's some Drunk Elephant, Colbert, my
Let's go down
buddy
here.
Clark's Botanicals. I'm a huge fan of Augustinus Bader.
That has become like a big thing all of a sudden.
It really, really worked on my skin.
Really?
I'm obsessed with this. I try to have a good range of skincare because so many people's skin is so different. This is one that they just sent me. I've never used this, but
IS Clinical.
my friend Matthew just started working with them, and he was so sweet, and he noted everything on there.
There's no lightweight moisturizer, just in
Yeah.
case. AM treatment.
I know. Thank you, Maddie. Very smart.
Then you wish we all had friends who could write us notes on beauty
Totally.
products. Maybe I'll have you write some notes for me in my
Oh,
shopping
man.
cart.
My friend.
Tatcha.
Yes.
Look at all of this gorgeous Tatcha collection.
So Vicky wanted me to give this to you. It's the Kisu lip mask.
Ooh,
It's brand new. So
thank you.
at night after you cleanse, you put that on, and in the morning your lips are hydrated and plumped, and it works.
So you can like lay off the lip injections for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, save me some money, thanks. Japanese peach seed jelly.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Kisu? Is that how you say it?
Kisu.
Kisu lip mask. In my shopping cart. I definitely need that. What do you use when you're prepping your client's skin?
Prepping dewy mist is essential in my kit.
Dewy skin mist. This is very popular among YouTubers.
The silk cream is great.
Ooh,
Super
that looks
hydrating.
yummy. Yeah.
The sheet masks, I'm
Do you do
obsessed
sheet
with.
masks a lot on your clients?
I do the eye, but I don't do the face.
Oh, interesting. Why is that?
I'm usually working with the hairdresser at the same time, so it's really difficult to have the mask on.
Mm-hmm.
What I do is I usually, in the evening, put this in the fridge, in the freezer, so it's super cold by the
That's
time that
nice.
I need it. And then use that, and then she can get into hair. I'll start the top part of her makeup,
Mm-hmm.
and then by the time that I'm ready, the masks are ready to come
Yeah,
off.
so you don't need to do a full sheet mask. You can just sort of do it under a mask and get
Right.
the same.
I have the lipstick I created with Tatcha.
I didn't know you created this with Tatcha.
Oh, Yeah, I created her lipstick.
It's like one of the best. It's like sold out and it was
Yeah.
impossible to find.
Yeah.
Of course you created it, but it was so good. Kyoto Red.
So I worked with Vicky to create the base, and now we just kind of switch out the color. I'm just getting to a point in my career where I love playing again and mixing and, you know, making products that are accessible and easy for the regular woman.
Do you feel like you learn a lot from Peter Phillips in that sense?
Yeah, because he's so much about the artistry, and what he's done for Dior makeup has been incredible.
Seriously.
You really understand the DNA of a brand when they can look past the name and really focus on innovation in the future.
Yeah.
So I just got these really beautiful lashes from this company called
Cool.
Duff Lashes. Mascara sales are down in the UK because so many women are getting eyelash extensions.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Or you wearing false eyelashes,
Or wearing
I guess?
false eyelashes.
That's nuts.
But-
I can't live without mascara. Well, you have an entire bin here. I see
Yeah.
of eyelashes here.
Eyelashes, more skincare. What other fun stuff? I have this random brush cleaner.
Look at this thing. It's like a dishwasher.
Yeah, it's like a
Dishwasher.
dishwasher for your makeup brushes.
Yeah. How do you clean your brushes in between clients?
I do what I call a dry wash, where I'll take like Makeup Forever's brush cleaner is my favorite. I'll put that on a paper towel and diffuse the color out of the brush that way. And then at the end of the week, I'll like wash them with soap and water. If you leave it too long in warm water, it'll break up the glue
Damage yeah.
that's in the ferrule that holds the
brushes
hair.
together, yeah.
So that's my only challenge with this.
Still we'll have to see.
Yeah, we'll
Report
have to
back.
see. Definitely. Il Maquillage sent me some cool stuff in here that I have to go through.
Oh my gosh. People don't realize this brand was around for
Yeah.
years and just
in the
came back.
90s.
Yeah.
Like,
It's so
just-
cool. I
yeah.
haven't even seen all of these products yet.
Yeah, they sent me, and I'm just kind of like overwhelmed. Because I know what I liked, what I used to use in the 90s,
Okay.
but now since it's like basically a brand new brand, I kind of have to go back and try everything. This is like the precious
pull
Charlotte
this out.
box.
Oh my gosh. Well, this used to be really hard to get, and now she's in Sephora.
Yeah.
So now it's a little bit easier to get.
Much easier.
Yeah.
I love these This is the Flawless Filter. What else do I have in here?
Yeah, what are some of your other favorite
Oh,
products?
have you tried the new concealers yet?
Yes.
They're so good.
The new concealers, they come in a really good shade range.
Yeah, and they're easy to use.
Yeah, it's like a wand, you click it up, it's here.
Charlotte, thank you. Magic.
We
For
love you,
real.
Charlotte.
We love you, Charlotte. And I have my devices here, which this one's an eye massager.
This is the funniest thing. So they say it's an eye massager, but
Totally thought it was something else. That's why it's been sitting here until I had a girlfriend come and be like, oh, that's an eye massager. Can't you read it?
yeah, it's an eye massager. What is this?
A steamer.
Oh, a facial steamer.
Yeah.
Kingdom Care's facial steamer. So if somebody's never used a facial steamer, what is it for?
This kind of helps open up the skin, get the blood going, but it also helps kind of depuff. So I'll do this with a sheet mask for them, 10 minutes, and then they look like they just had a facial.
Oh.
And then I have a lot of old brands, so like, remember that brand CK1?
Oh my god. Okay, so it was like exclusive to Ulta maybe?
Yeah.
It was Calvin Klein's makeup line.
And
That
then
was
it went away.
It was good, and it went out, and it just disappeared
Yeah.
into makeup abyss.
I have like a graveyard of beauty in here as well.
Graveyard, that's the stuff I love.
Oh, this foundation is Michelle Yeoh's favorite.
Hey.
Yeah.
Well,
Discontinued this formulation.
They did?
Yeah. They have the line, but they changed the bottle and the formula changed a bit.
good thing you have backup.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very interesting. I think we should talk about this.
Oh yeah, this mascara.
If you've ever been to Japan, you know in the drugstore, they have amazing eyeliners and the best mascaras in the entire world.
Yeah, so Vicky, who's the founder of Tatcha,
Mm-hmm.
when she goes to Japan, I send her with a list of stuff to bring back for me.
Oh.
So it's always mascaras, eyeliners, eyelash curlers.
They have the best eyeliners.
Yeah, because they're wide.
Mm-hmm.
So anyone with big eyes, it's perfect for it. And then Rob Lowe sent me his skincare.
The Rob Lowe.
The Rob Lowe.
Oh my god, I'm in
Yeah.
love with Rob Lowe.
A men's skincare line by Rob Lowe. Like, hello.
And he sent
If
it
this
to you
is gonna,
personally?
yeah, he sent me a note with like,
Oh my god.
yeah, I took it home. It's like,
The next time I see you, you're gonna be like fully transformed.
yeah, that would be amazing because he still looks just as good. So this line, Color Science, it's all SPF based. So there's powders, sunscreens. I think there's also makeup, liquid
cool.
makeup. But yeah, it's a really great brand. Yeah, these powders are super good,
super good
with
powders.
SPF in them as
Yeah.
well.
I'll definitely take this.
Yeah, please do.
For the weekend in Miami.
So I like to do an SPF before foundation.
Okay.
But the trick is to let it just kind of meld and sit for like 2 minutes. So I like to like put it on almost as part of the skincare and then come back to it. This actually, I was going to donate to a trans center. I think it's the Gay and Lesbian Center that does makeup classes for trans.
Yeah.
So I wanted to donate this product to them
Oh, I love that.
in
So
their
this
class.
This is all
Yeah, so it's
lipsticks?
all like lipsticks and there's some complexion in there too. If I'm getting all this for free, it's like you
Right.
gotta pay it forward.
Right.
So
Oh my god.
Urban Decay sent me like this lipstick library
Holy
book,
crap.
something.
Did you hear that they're discontinuing the Naked palette?
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah, I saw there was like a funeral and everything.
Yes, they did a funeral.
Well, if you need some, I have some
Oh,
up here.
thank God. You have every lipstick you could ever need.
Yeah.
That's a good gift. I feel like you have to give it.
Yeah.
You can't like separate them.
On the topic of lipstick books, this
yeah,
is the
that's a normal
grand dame of lipstick books.
Who has more than one? But let's see. What
Yeah,
is
this
Chanel?
is, yeah.
Oh my God. With your name. Man, you've made it. When Chanel starts sending you books of lipstick,
This is coming with me to the grave. It's
You're
so
gonna bury
chic.
it like a mummy.
Yeah, totally. It's just gonna lay here. And then there's another, there's like a whole
Wait, there's
other.
another layer?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't make this easy. Oh my God. Yeah, just in case you needed more lipsticks.
Right.
Oh, and you have the French version.
The French version of Peter Phillips and Twins' book, or Serge Lutin's book, and then he signed it for me.
Oh, poor Daniel, a master in his craft and always full of enthusiasm. Please enjoy these pages, Peter. Oh, that's so cute.
So nice,
I
right?
love that.
But this is really cool.
Look at that. A Dior trunk of some sorts.
And then they just,
Oh my God.
yeah.
Look at all the lip balms.
Yeah, and there's like
There's another
layers.
layer.
So
It's dream skin and some brushes. That is so fun. I didn't get that. I didn't
Sorry,
send that to
sister.
me. So how many years have you been a makeup artist?
gosh, 22 years?
When did you start?
I really got serious when I was 23,
Okay.
and I'm gonna be 45 next week.
You don't look a day over 23.
Thank
Seriously. It's all that skincare.
Oh, that skincare girl, totally. My first celebrity client was Molly Ringwald.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so my friend has a salon in the East Village called Parlor.
Mm-hmm.
She called me up, was like, I have a client that needs makeup, but she didn't tell me who it was. And it was Molly, and Pretty in Pink is like my favorite movie ever. When I saw her, I was like shaking like a chihuahua. I was like losing my shit.
Oh my god.
But I really got my start working on an Aveda salon in Virginia. I met Pat McGrath in 1997. Pat did a capsule collection for Aveda.
Mm-hmm.
To this day, I still say that she was like the first person that introduced highlighting to the world.
Yeah.
So that's kind of like where I started my foundation in terms of like learning how to create your own point of view with makeup.
So I saw you days after the wedding.
In Paris.
Yeah, in Paris. I was like, you have all these new Instagram followers. Oh my god, I was like so excited to talk to you, and you're like, yeah, everything is the same.
It was crazy.
I was like,
It
no,
so-
damn.
But what was funny was that I think the week of the wedding, I saw a tweet that you had posted that was like, to Meghan's hair and makeup people, I will hunt you, I will find you, I will come after you, I will interview you.
I was like trying to figure out who it was, and it was you the
It was
entire
me,
time.
and-
You kept the secret so good.
For like 6 months. It's still a blur. I don't remember a lot. It's like someone punched me and I blacked out. Because what I experienced was so different than what you guys saw.
Right.
So I have this huge disconnect. It's really cool for me to see all my friends and see you after that, because it was almost kind of like, I'm home.
Oh, okay.
Because
Back to normal.
Exactly,
Yeah.
back to normal.
Yeah.
Because there was just so much happening for that the week that I was in London, that seeing you guys was like a breath of fresh air.
Oh, I love
Yeah.
Since the wedding, have you gotten any DMs from people being like, can you do my wedding makeup, please, 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 please?
I have. I just don't answer them.
Oh no.
Because I'm not a wedding makeup artist.
Right.
But what's interesting is I've had a lot of moms reach out to me thanking me about showing their daughter that they don't need to wear as much makeup as they do.
Oh,
They
yeah.
came after me on my Instagram about why she didn't have enough makeup on. She was a working actress. She had red carpet moments. She had those big events. So for her, the wedding was more about her and her new husband. It wasn't about the presentation of being in a royal wedding. She just wanted to feel like herself.
Right. You can be a natural bride.
Right.
Glowy, fresh, peachy
Exactly.
bride.
Because
Yeah.
the last thing you want is to look back at your wedding pictures and be like, oh my God, why did I highlight, or why did I contour so much? Or it's like blue eyeshadow in the 80s.
Right. Exactly. It can look dated.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't want to look dated.
Yeah. Well, this was so great. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much
No.
for having us over.
You're still leaving with more stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep shopping a little bit
I hope so.
and raid your beauty stash.
Totally.
But this was so much fun.
Thank you so much.
good to
It's so
see
good
you.
to see you, honey.
Ooh.